Hey team Splits Effects, what's going on? Welcome to the northwestern region of the continent. I got some big news for our channel today. We just recently purchased a new car for the channel and for ourselves. Anyways, let's get to it and have a look. I just want to tell you that one thing is when we did buy it, they did do a clean on it, but it wasn't all that clean when we first got it, due to they had some issues with their cleaning area. It was down, so they had to present the car to me the way it was. I'll show you that later in this video, before and after shots, but let's get to it. Here we have the 2019 Golf R in Indium Gray. So it comes with the Pretoria wheels, and we got some big things planned for this car. Once we get through the break-in period, first and foremost, we were delivered it with 260 kilometers on it, and yeah, I'll just do a quick walk around here. 260 kilometers. We need to go to 1600 kilometers before we can do any kind of performance tests on it, like 0 to 100 or 0 to 60 miles an hour. And yeah, and then we'll also do some DSG farts on it. We'll do launch control, and my wife even said she's going to do a quick wife review on it, which I'm really excited for, because she's not much of a car lady, but she loves the performance of this car. Anyways, also what's going to be happening here in the near future is I just made an order to Ethos Car Care, and we're going to be applying Ethos Pro Ceramic Wax. Well, first and foremost, we're going to do the detox. Then we're going to do Ethos Ceramic Wax, and I'm going to maintain it with the Ethos Ceramic Shampoo, and also maintain it with Ethos Defy. Now, I'm looking really forward to this, because apparently these products are phenomenal, and we'll see. I've already prepped the car to the point where it's just going to be, right now it's at the clay bar stage, and I'm just going to do a quick polish on it and then put the wax on. Yeah, well, stay tuned. In this video we'll show you the before and after pictures of cleanliness on the car and the detail that we performed, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, well, thanks for tuning in to Splets Effects. If you want to see more content on the new Golf R 2019, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and the like button. And I want to thank you for your support. I'm just a small channel looking to grow. So let's get her done. Thanks for coming out.